September 28th, 2009. And we pretty much got some bad weather right now. It's about midnight. And so it looks like it's dying out, but still strong enough to have it like this. Because it wasn't like this like 5 minutes ago. It was all wettish and that pop all hell break loose. Let's go to bunch. Now, the tornado warning have issued in Cook County earlier today. Now we're on the severe thunderstorm warning for this area. Well, I have Wayne give us 7 o'clock, which is lightning's in here. Now the red and the yellow. That's how bad the that's how heavy the rain is. But the rain's still the same spot though. It's not dying out. It's growing. They say about this right here, it doesn't matter. It still has the same lightning in the same. The lightning's in the yellow. Red stuff is just rain. Somebody's sick. But guess what bad news is? We'll talk about a windstorm. Let me record this. Windstorm, hailstorm, doesn't matter. The blue is wind with hail. Hail like maybe severe damages medium and hail. I don't know what's gonna hit. It's past Michigan City. It's getting close. Which I don't believe that because somewhere else is just pretty dumb. Only make this like a couple minutes. But the next part be lots. The door part will be the ending. And we had severe weather. We began on the severe thunderstorm just this in the morning, which is actually only happened around like this one, and that's it. Because we're only gonna get rain overnight, but it's gonna be windy. But we do have power outages in this storm. Before a power outage. If the power goes out, probably won't. You can tell who lost power. They talk about 50-mile-an-hour winds. But severe weather, talking about 60 miles an hour. A strong cold front. We're looking away all right now. Oh, hell breaks loose. I don't believe that. It's popping right back up. Yeah, this is some kind of crisis right here. Do we already have reports of power outages in Gary, Report, Faribault, Michigan City, Chicago? We have power outages due to the wind. We don't know how many people without electricity, but we do know what people are without power. Each city is at least 1,000. But I'm gonna record from this window right here. In that window. Somebody's sleeping, snoring out there. Alright. Stay tuned for more updates.